Would you like to know why I don't season my fish before I fry them? This is because after properly washing my fish, I just salt them and then get them ready for frying. After my fish is fried, now this is what I do for seasoning. I add oil and let it heat up. Add chopped onion. Add fresh ginger and garlic. This helps to get rid of seafood smell. When the onion is golden brown, add tomatoes. Add a tablespoon of Knorr. Boil in chicken flavor. Curry powder. Tony's Creole. Slap your mama. All-purpose seasoning. And cayenne pepper. Mix them together and make sure that the tomatoes are properly mashed. Add grated green bell pepper, and finally cilantro. Start adding your fish one by one to absorb the seasoning properly. Let it absorb the seasoning for about a minute or two on low heat. Add milk and let it cook. You can use water as a substitute of milk. It's still the same. Still gonna taste really good. It's ready. Now that's how I season my fish. And eat it with fufu of your choice. Today I'm gonna eat it with cassava or yakarut fufu.